Hello again everybody, especially to those who are looking for a job. We have a job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow of November 22. That will be Wednesday. The interview venue will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So the job description for this is a container factory. So we are looking for 3 people for this, and the salary starts from 212,000 to 388,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. The job location for this will be in Saitama. So if you are willing to apply for this is again a container factory. So we are looking for 3 people, and we have another job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow. This is a duty-free shop sales job. This is located in Ottawa in Tokyo. We are looking for 3 people for this, and the salary starts from 190,000 yen to 240,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So if you are looking for a sales job, this is in a duty-free shop in Ottawa, Tokyo. So this is also scheduled for interview tomorrow, November 22. That will be Wednesday at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. You can comment down below if you are interested. You can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. Thank you.